County corridor. That low, which is spinning just around the Nature Coast, north central Florida, Gainesville to about Cedar Key, that will continue to move to the west. We are on the drier side of this. That's why there's been a limit in the overall spread of rain and thunderstorms across most of the 319 corridor. But as that low swirls and moves over Appalachia Bay overnight, we'll start to get in on a change in the wind direction, so more south and southeast, which brings in the moisture. It's only a few hours worth of a change, but it can be enough to promote a little bit of rain activity that can be heavy along especially the coastal areas, I'd say around and south of Highway 98 in particular. And then that can influence a few more streaming pockets of rain and isolated thunder that can develop in the midday hour, and that can perhaps push into southwestern Georgia. So you may be hearing about the disturbance and where it may go and this and that and the other. The main point is, locally speaking, we'll still have times of sunshine. We'll have occasional passing showers, couple downpours, but major adverse weather is not going to be experienced across our region for tomorrow. There can be a couple zones of isolated heavier rain that can add up to maybe a quick 2 inches or so, and I think that is a higher possibility along the immediate coast. The more north you go, the less rain accumulation is expected, and some can still get no rain at all, even out of all this. So as that low crosses out of the Nature Coast, North Florida Peninsula and moving over Appalachia Bay, it's not going to strengthen, it's not going to cause any big surprises, but just keep in mind periods of rain, off and on sunshine, wind gusts, I'd say maybe 25 max. Breezes in general will be about 5 to 15 miles per hour. That low moves off to the west. We'll maintain a south wind pattern for the next couple of days. That means humid and hot conditions with maybe just a little pullback from that heat that we had earlier today. Morning lows in the mid-70s with highs tomorrow right around 90 degrees or so. If you get more sunshine, you can get warmer. But then we kind of revert back to this hot pattern with west winds, reduced weekend rain chances, and highs in the upper 90s.